Sing Sang, Tai Tai Lai Ho. My name is Marie Angel, 29 years old. I'm from Taguig City, Philippines. I'm a single. My highest education attainment is a vocational. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning. And I'm a pet lover. I have a dog, a fish, and a bird. My expertise are taking care of children and elder. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 2 years from 2023 to 2025. I serve one couple and two young boy, age of 11 and 20 years old. My duties are taking care of children and elder. I do cooking, ironing, doing laundry, marketing, car washing, everything that need to do. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and for my future. I'm willing to take good care of elder and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm a hardworking, honest, obedient, and caring, and responsible to my work. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am, Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.